5 days after two children died in a fire in Paradise, Norwood, St. James, their mother remains in custody without charge. Another child, the twin sister of one of the deceased, remains in hospital with severe burns. TVJ's KRISTA Campbell visited the community in Paradise, Norwood, and now reports.
What started the fire, which claimed two young lives in Paradise, Norwood, St. James on Friday, November 1? It's the question family members are still asking 5 days later. None more eager to learn the truth than the father of 8-year-old Javinci Palmer, who burned to death with his 1-year-old brother, Tyler McLeod.
I never know say your belly could have burned if you want pitney so. Pitney that you love so. And that cut up my belly.
CORY Palmer says he has not been able to eat since the incident.
A grater here, articles of clothing there, remnants of a life burnt to shreds are bitter reminders of Friday's double tragedy. And at this clear spot in the ground, what's believed to be the imprint of an 8-year-old's body.
Mr. Palmer believes his 8-year-old son, who was diagnosed as epileptic, may have had a seizure at the doorway which prevented him from escaping. The body of his 1-year-old brother was found under a bed. Mr. Palmer recounted his experience when he got to the scene of the fire.
I feel say the body gone already and everything. So when them call me one side to calm me down, then they take a look in the house and come over here and shine the light out. I see the poor little baby them, oh God.
He says he's received counseling at work, which has helped him to cope. Other family members say they would benefit from similar support. As for the 1-year-old twin girl who remains in hospital,
the burn body no, but she's strong because she a move around because she get burned to the forehead, and she in her head top burn up and her ears them and some part on her face and her mouth get burned. And her hand, one of the hand me ear say burn really bad.
The aunt, who did not want to appear on camera, explains that she fed the children earlier that night and told their mother to take them home. But according to reports, neither she nor the other 3 adults in the yard knew the children were home alone. Their mother is facing 3 counts of child negligence.
Her mother left far and come down, come build the house and put her and say, live round there with the pitney them and take care of pitney them. And her mother, they help her financial wise, clothes and food and diaper and wipes and them something there. Her mother and the other lady, the other grandmother, provide them something there. All she did need for do, I did be the pitney them and just care for them.
Feel a way about the situation, because nobody ain't going to have any stand and feel a way if you know say she go spend time at prison. But she not here, so I left it in her law and
Mr. Palmer's 6-year-old daughter, who pulled her 1-year-old sister from the inferno, has not been able to go to school because all of her uniforms and school supplies went up in the blaze.
Me just start back again like my whole life start over again. You understand me? And then it start on a blank week. It's not even a pay week. It happened on a blank week.
KRISTA Campbell, TVJ News.